Alright, what is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. Today we are out at the park. It's a nice gloomy February day, but it's actually 45 degrees out. I'm out here just in a hoodie, so that's nice. It's not really typical of February, but it's sprinkling right now. I wanted to do this test because I just ran out of props, and I have this prop I normally use on my FT Arrow, if you can see that right there, that I'm gonna go ahead and try out today. It's about 5 inches. It was originally a 9x6 prop, but I actually snipped the end off of it just a little bit so it fit in the Arrow, which has about a 6-inch total cavity available for the prop. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it. We're running a 4S LiPo pack on this plane, as you can see. So it's really gonna have some power to work with. I'm not really thinking that it's gonna be underpowered by any means, but let's just see how it flies. Hopefully we'll have a good successful flight, and if it decides to rain harder, we'll just go ahead and leave. Anyway, we've got all our control surfaces. We got elevator, ailerons. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh wow, this thing has a lot more power than you would expect. This thing normally flies on a 9x6 propeller, which is plenty, obviously. But this is just a little bit less than that, but the same pitch. I have been flying recently on a 9x75 slow fly prop, which is obviously a lot less pitch. So I have been, having a lot less power recently, which is obviously less ideal. But this thing, man, this thing is a real joy to fly. It has a lot of power, as I just said. And this is obviously, like I said, on 4S. I normally fly this on 3S 1300, but I haven't been flying my Vigan recently, so I just took the 4S pack out of it, and man, this thing is on rails. This thing is also very sensitive, as you can see, so it's hard to, make too many fine adjustments. You kind of just got to do it. I also don't like to fly that close to the ground with this plane, because just a little bit of down elevator and you're in the turf, which is obviously no good when you're going upwards of 60 or 70 miles per hour. We clocked this thing at 70 miles per hour on a half-dead 4S with the 9x7 prop, so I'm saying that we're probably peaking out at 70 miles per hour right now, and on a fully charged with a 9x6 prop on here, we could probably get up in the neighborhood of 80 miles per hour, I'm assuming. I'll go ahead and make another video when we clock it again and give you guys a little bit of an update there. But I really love this plane. It's very aerobatic, maneuverable, obviously fast, and is a real joy to fly. Yeah, this is just bank and yank, of course. I did not add a rudder on this thing because obviously the rudder would be small, and it's just, I found that bank and yank is best on really fast planes. I built this plane 2 times, and the first time I added a small rudder, but it's just completely worthless and useless. But dang, this is a really fun plane to fly. Coming straight at us. Looks like we might even have a little bit of wing fold action, which is kind of surprising. Most of this plane's flying is done just basically on the motor alone. There's not heavy wing loading at all, so I don't really know what's up with that. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this thing is flying. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've just been basically bombing around with full throttle here, as you can see. We're just doing a lot of high-speed passes, so hopefully I don't blow up my 4S, but if we do, this 4S is pretty much toast anyway. It has blown up a little bit, and it's probably safe to say that I need to recycle it soon, just to keep my house safe from burning down. But we'll see. It probably has about 10 more cycles in it before I need to throw it in the trash. But dang, I cannot get over how much fun this plane is to fly. And it looks like we're running low on juice, so I'm gonna go ahead and circle into the wind. There's actually not much wind, but I can see where it is. We're just gonna come straight at us and pull it in for a landing. Perfect. Wow, that is an amazing amazing plane. I was a little unsure with the prop combo. It's not perfectly balanced. Obviously, I just cut it down with some wire cutters, so I don't really know what to expect out of it, but it is a really good flying airplane, and I'll definitely be using this prop more until I get some more props, which will be on order soon, I hope. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see some more videos like this with the Bloody Baron, I will link some down below in the description. And yeah, comment down below if you have any questions or any video suggestions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Dang, that is a good plane.